Okay, Sean, can you show us a little trick?
Yeah, I got you. On the count of 3, I'm gonna make everyone on the left side of the room disappear. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Wait. Can you do this side instead? I think I see my brother.
Oh, okay. How about this? Abracadabra, here's Alan Chicken Chow with the nominees for food.
Cooking is hard. Very hard. Luckily, our nominees are great at it. In fact, they're the best on the internet. Here are the nominees for food. Babish Culinary Universe.
Stir in your various fats, maybe give it another taste for good luck, because now we're gonna turn things up to crazy.
Cooking with Lynja.
So basic.
Nick DiGiovanni.
But sometimes people do that char on purpose, and it tastes fantastic. At this point, it's time to let our steak take a little nap.
Side Surf Cake Studio.
And that means that you can compare my cakes to the real thing. I am both excited and nervous.
And Uncle Roger.
We take white people and make it better. That's the whole theme of Vietnamese food, correct?
I'm ordering in from now on. Dang it! Good luck to the nominees.
And I'll just say it.
Yeah. And the Streamy goes to...
Oh, God.
Gotta be quicker than that.
I know. I haven't opened an envelope like ever. Cooking with Lynja.
I feel so blessed to be here 2.5 years, on the internet, and our fan base keeps growing. I want to thank my family, my friends, and most of all, my supporters, my Lynja Turtles.